Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Instagram in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the section called Who Can See Your Content and tap on Blocked. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap on their profile. Once you're on their profile page, tap the Unblock button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Unblock again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked that person on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.